Welcome to an unparalleled masterpiece nestled in one of Australia's most coveted coastal destinations, Byron Bay. This extraordinary property transcends mere luxury, embodying a realm of consummate individuality and exceptional design. Delighting in iconic ocean panoramas, this creative masterpiece stands as a testament to ingenuity and craftsmanship. And in a twist of celebrity allure, this home is currently owned by none other than Hollywood star Matt Damon, adding an extra layer of prestige to its already illustrious reputation. Positioned on the East Coast's best vantage point, this home offers breathtaking views that define the essence of Byron Bay living. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by its unique blend of natural and handmade materials, meticulously sourced to create a sanctuary of matchless sensibilities. Step into an entertainer's utopia, where every detail is designed to inspire and delight. From the heated infinity pool to the multiple indoor and outdoor spaces, this home is a celebration of coastal living at its finest. Tall ceilings amplify airflow and natural light, while recycled 100-year-old timber infuses warmth and character throughout. The master suite is a sanctuary in itself, boasting an ensuite and a captivating ocean view that evoke a sense of tranquility and serenity. As you explore the home, you'll discover the natural elements of the area reflected in every detail, from the landscaped gardens to the meticulously manicured lawns. This property is truly one of a kind, perfectly suited for buyers seeking an incomparable coastal retreat. Experience the epitome of Byron Bay luxury, where every detail tells a story of craftsmanship, elegance, and timeless beauty. Welcome to a home that transcends expectations and redefines coastal living. Welcome to your own piece of paradise.